Today we are going to solve Cambridge Mathematics for Primary Standard. Try to read the question number 1.
Find and mark the same cartoon man on the left.
It means बाएं तरफ कार्टून में यकसा शख्स को तलाश करें और निशान लगाएं. This is the left side. All the blue cartoons are on the left side. Our task is to find a blue cartoon similar to this red one. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Which one is similar to this red cartoon? इस जैसा कौन सा कार्टून है इन ब्लू कार्टून्स में से जो बिल्कुल सेम ऐसा हो जैसा कि ये रेड कार्टून बना हुआ है. विच वन इज सिमिलर टू द रेड वन? Is this similar first cartoon? Both have same legs.
Yes, sir.
Look at the legs. Both have same legs. Both have same arms and head. So, this red one is similar to the first blue cartoon from the left side. And is this similar? This is not similar. It has
Yes.
different legs. This is also not similar. It has different legs. This has similar legs, similar hands. This is also similar to this red one. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This one is also similar or not?
Not, sir.
Not. Both have same legs. Same legs,
Yes.
ना? अच्छा. And both have same arms भी same हैं दोनों के. बाजू भी
Yes.
सेम है. तो फिर कैसे हो सकता है कि ये एक जैसे नहीं है? ये तो यकसा है, सिमिलर हैं, सेम है. ओके, एक जैसे हैं ना ये दिस रेड वन इज आल्सो सिमिलर टू दिस वन. इज दिस सिमिलर?
No, sir.
No, because it has different legs. And this one,
Not, sir.
last one is not similar.
Yes, sir. जो उसकी लेग नहीं है वो थोड़ी सी चेंज है उससे.
चेंज नहीं है भाई उससे. आप देखो इसको, चेंज तो नहीं है. अब देखो आप क्लियर, एग्जैक्ट वही है. सेम लेग्स, both have same legs. Same legs, same arms. Pattern of the arms is also same. So, this one is also similar.
तो इसकी जो लेग नहीं थी मुझे थोड़ी सी बैंड लगी थी.
सही. All the cartoons have similar heads.
सर सेकंड.
Yes, this one.
सर इसका आंसर सेकंड है. आंसर इज सेकंड.
Okay, this is also similar. And this is also similar or not?
नॉट, सर.
Good. Very good. This is not similar. Why this is not similar? Because it has different arms. And this one is also not similar. Why?
सर लग
Exactly. Because of different legs, it's not similar to the red cartoon. And what about this one? Fifth cartoon, fifth blue cartoon.
नॉट.
This is not similar because of head, legs. Here legs are also different, not similar. Here legs are also different, not similar. Okay. Only this one is similar to this red cartoon. Now we are moving to the next part of the question number 1, Cambridge Mathematics for Primary Standard. This one is similar to, it's not similar to this because it has different legs.
Sir,
Different
answer
legs.
is 4.
Fourth?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This fourth is answer because both have same legs and same arms. And this one is not similar. It has different arms. This one has different legs, and this one has also has different legs. Is this similar to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. It's similar to the second blue cartoon, and first is not similar due to legs.
Yes, sir.
Third is also not similar due to legs. And fourth is not similar because of,
Then length.
yes, because of legs and because of arms. Both are different and unique. And in the fifth one, it has different legs, though similar arms, but it's not exactly the same as we have on this side. This has same legs and same arm. This one is also similar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sixth blue cartoon is also similar to the red one on the right side. And this is not similar because of the legs. Which one is similar to this?
Sir. Third.
Yes, third. And this last one is also similar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All the other blue cartoons have different legs. These two have different legs. Okay. These two also has different legs. And this one has different arms. So our selected cartoons are third one and last one. Now let's move to the next question. Now we will work out on question 2 of primary mathematics for Cambridge learners. Spot the patterns. Here there is a need to spot the pattern and identifying the block which are repeating after the intervals. These three blocks are repeating and these three blocks are also repeating one after another. So which shape will come on this position and which shape will come on this position? Can you answer, Jasmine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir. Um, oh, oh, okay, sir.
This has six corners and this is called hexagonal. This one is a circle. This one is triangle. Three angles and three sides. Any shape having three sides is called triangle. Yes. Which shape will come on this
Sir,
position?
first is this.
Hexagonal will come on this place. This shape will come on this place.
Yes, sir.
And which shape will come on the second
Sir,
position?
circle.
Circle. Very good. This circle will come on this position because there is a pattern of three shapes which are repeating one after another. These three shapes, hexagonal, circle, and triangle. And this is also hexagonal, circle, and triangle. Here will be hexagonal, circle, and they on third place there will be a triangle. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can you find the pattern of these two empty places?
Sir, 24, 28, sir.
24 and
And 28.
28. How you find this pattern?
Sir, four, four, sir, 4 plus.
Yes, by adding 4 to each term. By adding 4 to 4, it becomes 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. This is a table of 4. Which shape will come on the position 1 and position 2 in third column?
Sir,
This is star,
sir, yes, sir.
this is heart, this is star, this is heart, this is star, this is heart. Which shape will come on the first position?
Star, sir, star,
Very good. There will be a star. And on second position,
sir, heart.
good, very good. There will be heart. Can you predict which shapes will come on these positions, 1 and second?
Sir, 2, and sir, first is this. The first time.
First, which place? This is the cartoon having stars in his or her eyes. This is a cartoon. This is a laughing cartoon. So these two will come on. This will come on the position first.
Yes, sir.
This will come on the position second. Why?
Yes. So that's the start. So start
जी,
के बाद
एक
ये वाले आ रहे हैं.
स्टार जी वेरी गुड
तो स्टार रिपीट हो चुका है पहले ही.
जी स्टार से स्टार्ट हुआ उसके बाद ये दो शेप्स आएंगी फिर स्टार्स आ जाएंगे फिर यही दो शेप्स आ जाएंगी और यहाँ पर फिर स्टार्स आ जाएंगे अगर आपसे थर्ड एंड फोर्थ पोजीशन भी पूछी जाए ओके दिस इज ट्रिकी वन कैन यू सॉल्व दिस कैन यू आंसर द यस आंसर देयर आर हाउ मेनी बॉक्सेस आर देयर
One. Yes.
how many now let's look at the answers 6 and how many boxes are there 10